Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Crochet Pink Pumpkin. Today I show you the treble crochet stitch in US term or double treble crochet in UK term. So it's a pretty high stitch. It's basically the height of 2 double crochet and it's also 4 chain stitches height. So I will show you where to start. So on the chain you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and you will start in the 5th chain stitch right here. So you wrap your thread twice around the hook, so it's basically 2 yarn over. You go to the 5th stitch because it's height of 4 chain stitches. Up, you slide your hook in this chain stitch. You do a 3rd yarn over, you pass it through 1 loop. Right here you have 4 loops on the hook. 4th yarn over, you pass it through 2 loops right here. So you have 3 loops on the hook. 5th yarn over, you pass it through 2 loops again. Right here you have 2 loops left. 6th yarn over and you pass it through the last 2 loops. So for this stitch you will need like 6 yarn over total. So 2 yarn over right here, you slide it through the chain stitch. 3rd yarn over, pass it through 1 loop. 4th yarn over, pass it through 2 loops. 3 loops left on the hook. 5th yarn over, pass it through 2 loops again. Right here you have 2 loops left on the hook, and 6th yarn over, you pass it through the last 2 loops right here. So I slow down the video like that you have time to do it at the same time as me. So the most important, no, I don't say it's the most important, everything is important, but like you know it's a treble crochet when you start by making like 2 yarn over on your hook, you know, like to start, because when you do a double crochet you start only with 1 yarn over. There you go. So I will go through the to the end of the chain because I want to show you how to turn with this stitch. It can be a very useful stitch if you want to crochet fast, you know, and because it's pretty high. There you go. So you will start by making, at the end of the chain, you start making 4 chain stitches because at the height of a treble crochet, you turn your work. You don't go to the first one, you go to the second one and you do your treble crochet. You don't go to the first stitch because it's already taken like by the chain stitches. The 4 chain stitches are the first fake treble crochet. I hope it's clear. Sorry, it's the morning and my English is never very good in the morning. So voila, you keep going and there you go. So when you turn, don't forget to make like 4 chain stitches. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and I see you very soon. Bye bye.